In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change prices on Fresha, a comprehensive guide designed to make your task easier and faster. Whether you're updating your service prices for a new promotion or adjusting to market changes, this guide will walk you through each step of the process seamlessly. Let's start by navigating to the Fresha platform designed specifically for businesses. You'll want to open your browser and type in https://www.fresha.com/for-business. This link directs you straight to the business section of Fresha, where you can manage your services, appointments, and much more. Once you've arrived at the Fresha for Business page, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the Login button and click on it. This step is crucial for accessing your dashboard and making any changes to your services, including price adjustments. After clicking Login, you'll notice an option that says For Business. This is exactly where you need to be. Clicking this option ensures you're accessing the business features of Fresha, which include managing your services, team, and pricing. Next, for a smooth and secure login process, click on Sign In using Google. This option allows you to use your Google account credentials for easy access. It's a convenient feature for those of us who appreciate the simplicity of using existing accounts to manage our digital tools. Once you've clicked on the Google Sign-In option, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Select the account associated with your Fresha business profile to proceed. Having logged in successfully, it's time to navigate to where your services are listed. You can do this by visiting the catalog section. The direct link is https://partners.fresha.com/catalog/services, or you can find the catalog option from your dashboard menu. In the catalog, you'll see the service menu. This is where all your services are listed, each with individual settings for price, duration, and more. Now, find the service you wish to update. Each service has a menu indicated by 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots for the service whose price needs changing. This action will open a submenu that allows you to edit or view details about the service. Once you've clicked on the dots and the menu appears, select the option to edit the service. This will take you to a page where you can modify various aspects of the service, including its price. It's on this page that you make the necessary adjustments to the pricing. Be thoughtful about how you set your prices, considering both your business needs and your customers' value perception. After you've entered the new price, don't forget to save your changes. There's a Save button usually located at the bottom or top right corner of the page. Clicking this will update the service details with the new price you've set. To ensure everything is updated correctly, it's a good idea to go back to your Fresha partner account main page. Here you can review the changes and see how they appear in your overall service catalog. Lastly, if you want to see how this price change reflects on your daily schedule, or if you wish to manage appointments for this particular service, navigate to the day view in your calendar. This can be done by clicking on Day from your calendar settings, allowing you to view all appointments scheduled for a specific day. It's a great way to get an overview of how your adjustments impact your daily operations. Remember, updating your service prices on Fresha is more than just changing numbers. It's about strategically setting your business up for success, ensuring your services are priced correctly for your market, and making the experience seamless for your customers. In closing, I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to navigate Fresha's platform to update your service prices efficiently. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your service prices is key to maintaining a competitive edge and meeting your business goals. Remember, these changes can make a significant impact on your business's growth and customer satisfaction. Keep experimenting and monitoring the market to ensure your pricing strategy remains effective. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more guides and tips to manage your business on Fresha.